It's your boy.
ATG Music.
I like how you whining your waist on mommy. I like your body, your best on mommy. Oh baby, baby, just whining.
Hello, 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 loves. I got a new wig for you guys. This one was sent to me from So Good Shop, and this wavy beauty here is a Vivica Fox wig. Her name is Olivia, and this is a Swiss lace unit. It comes with 3 combs here around the part area where you will be cutting the lace, and it also comes with a comb at the nape. The lace is Swiss lace and it's very soft, very comfortable and tinted. It also comes with enough of the parting space to create a nice sleek part. It's not really a lot of lace, but just enough. And I did have to go ahead and cut this off. It doesn't come with any baby hairs, but you can create some if you would like. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my head and tell you guys about it. All right, you guys, so this unit is a Vivica Fox unit, and this was sent to me from So Good Shop. And as you can see, it is super long, super sexy, super sleek. I already like it because, and I don't want to brush it too much. Even though I am thinking about brushing it, I don't want to brush it too much because I actually like the wave pattern that's in it. It's not too much. It's not too much body, not too much volume. It's almost meant to feel like a wet look, like a super long wet look. It looks like you walked out of the water, like you got your weave wet. So that's what I really like about it, because I love a good wet look. I love a good wet look. So yeah, I really like this wig, and I think for the most part, it is not something that I would have regularly gone for. So I really just picked this one off of the random, and I actually really like it. It's very light, very comfortable, and I think for the most part, it didn't take too much to style it. So I really like that. The parting space that it comes with is, let me use a comb, it gives you pretty much a good amount of parting space. And I'm going to put some setting powder right around that area where I decide to part it, just to make the parting space look even better. But it is really, really, really nice. Really nice. Really nice parting space. I do like it. It stops right about there. And then you have to make it work, but you really don't need that much parting space for this kind of wig because it is just meant to be nice, wavy, long. So I do like it. It comes about here on me. All right, and I am 5'1". I'm a shorty, so it's really probably not that long on others. It's just really, really long on me. So like a nice little wet look. I can always go for a wet look, y'all. I can always go for a wet look. All right, so what I'm gonna do here, and you could put some baby hairs in her. It's a really nice ponytail. It does. Y'all, I always have to try to see if my long wigs can go into a ponytail because sometimes I get hot. I just get hot, or I get tired of the hair being everywhere and I just want it to kind of just leave me alone. So a really nice sleek ponytail is always a yes for me. I like that. So yeah, it does give you a nice look. It's nice. And you can also do the whole behind your ear look. Just gotta make sure your flap right here is laying down. And you can do a nice behind. It's cute. It's really sexy. It's very, very light, y'all. Like, I love how light this is. It doesn't feel heavy. I believe it's big head friendly. It does have the adjustable strap, which I'm not even using right now. But it feels really nice and not snug. It feels really nice and comfortable. So I really like that. And like I said, I'm going to put some setting powder. I'm just going to grab a little bit here and kind of dab it in there. Yes, I love when you put the setting powder in. And it just makes the part look even better. It's just really light. The texture is nice. It's soft. It's combing. I don't think that you'll have that much issues with the tangling of this unit. I think you just have to make sure you brush it after it starts to. I do have some shedding right now that I do have, but it's not as much as it could be. I think it's more so from me cutting the lace, because that's where I'm getting, when I pull from there or when I touch from there, that's where I'm getting the shedding from. I think once I lay her down, do the baby hairs, and melt her into my skin a little bit more, she's going to look even more natural and even more sexy. It's really nice. So you can do that part, but you can also flip it back if you want. Oh my gosh, yeah, I like it back too. See, if you make sure your lace is laid like this, you can throw it back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back. You could throw it back. Yeah. Oh, look at the water hair. Yeah, I like it. So just, you would do some baby hairs. I would suggest you do some baby hairs. It's a little late at night, y'all, so I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to do baby hairs right now. You guys can do a lot with this. Okay, you guys, so that is my review on this wig. This is Olivia from Vivica A. Fox's line. If you guys are interested in this unit, please be sure to check out the description box so that you can go and see if they have other colors that you might like if you don't like the number one. But I like it in a number one. I think this is very, very simple, and you don't have to do too much thinking. It just looks very natural, very light, very comfortable. Definitely vacation hair, especially if you just want something to wear with their dresses, and it's low maintenance and it can blow in the wind and not look crazy, and it's very beachy, like beach hair. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up, comment, and let me know if you liked it, or even share it. That helps me a lot and I appreciate it. Okay, you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you. Stay royal. Oh, and thanks So Good, because I like her.